Hello, candidate number 3. Good evening.
Good evening, sir, again.
Again and again. You know, I would like to ask you this one kasi last night, some of the LaCour candidates became a trend kasi kasama nila yung boyfriend nila at saka ex. Ikaw, sino yung kasama mo for tonight? I would like to know.
Aside from my fans and my...
Okay. Sino pa?
Aside from my fans from Barangay Mabini and different barangays in the city of Coronadal, I'm expecting that 3 of my boyfriends are here.
Wow! Iba naman yun. Grabe naman yun. Kami nga wala. Ikaw 3 talaga. Grabe ka naman, candidate. Oh, it resonates with your candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 has 3 boyfriends. Okay, wait for a while. Nandito ba sila sa isang area lang o hiwalay-hiwalay sila?
Hindi ko alam kung saan sila. Basta ang alam ko, taga Barangay Rotonda and Barangay Topland.
Grabe naman yun. May pa-benchmarking pa. Barangay Topland? Barangay ano pa nga yun? Ano pa yung dalawa?
Dalawa sa Barangay Rotonda.
Ay, dalawa sa barangay. Panalo ang Barangay Rotonda, dalawa. Isa sa Barangay Topland, grabe naman yun. So may branches ka pala dun sa mga barangay na ganun. Okay. Sige nga, what can you say to your supporters tonight, especially to your 3 boyfriends? Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
I was so overwhelmed from the support of my fans and to my 3 boyfriends. I love you.
Wow! Okay, Coronadaleños, isang matinding sana. Ay, gano'n naman. Grabe ka naman. Fusa, 3 talaga, oh.
Because I always believe that love has no gender.
Wow! Grabe yung quotable quotes mo, no? Kanina si BM, yung kinotable quote mo, sino naman kaya ngayon? I know you're ready. We're looking forward to it. Kind of pick the name of the judge who will ask your final question. I hope your 3 boyfriends are praying for you right now. Let's have, it's Antoy Deloso.
Good evening, candidate number 3.
Good evening, ma'am.
Binuhay mo ang gym ngayon.
Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Binuhay mo with your 3 boyfriends.
Anyway, here's your question. What do you consider the most pressing issue facing the LGBTQIA+ community today? And what steps would you advocate to address it? Again, what do you consider the most pressing issue facing the LGBTQIA+ community today? And what step would you like to advocate and address it?
I believe one of the most common issues in the LGBT community is discrimination. We are tend to compete to one another while aiming for equality and respect. I think the key to address this is fostering empathy, mutual understanding and respect, because standing in front of you is a testament of a woman with inclusivity, pride, and purpose. Thank you so much.
Wow! Grabe naman!